Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to use a program called Windows Debloater. Now in the previous video you saw me do this on my eMachine desktop computer. I am now doing it on the laptop. You're asking yourself, why are you doing this on a laptop? For about 10 years now, everybody's using mobile devices, they're using laptops and stuff like that. Now, this is just to show that it will work and how to use it on a certain, what they would call a chassis, but type of computer. The factor of the computer. The chassis is used for a desktop. The form factor of the computer. So the form factor of this computer is a laptop. So here we go. So as you can see, you're looking at my desktop. I already have the file copied to the desktop so we could do what we need to do here. So as you can see, I'm scrolling all the way down and I'm going to run Windows Debloater. And I'm going to do the same thing by removing OneDrive. So if I go here and I type OneDrive. So it's in here because I haven't done anything yet. So to get started here, I am going to uninstall OneDrive. So you double click that and you click Run Script. Now what the script is doing is telling Windows to uninstall OneDrive. So now, whoops, didn't mean to do that. If I scroll down here, down at the bottom you're going to have something called output. Just like I did in the last video, that output tells you what processes is done or in progress. Alright, so now the output is disabling OneDrive, it's uninstalling OneDrive, and the operation complete disabled and uninstalled OneDrive. So OneDrive is no longer on this machine. Now you can go re-download it and install it if you need to. Or you can click Reinstall and reinstall OneDrive. So if I go down here and type in OneNote shows up. Now I didn't do the reinstall on the desktop machine, but here I am going to do it. This will work for both desktops and laptops. So before I go any further, everything is the same. UI, I could hide this PC and do whatever. OneDrive, system, everything is the same. As I just stated, gaming, Defender and security, context menu, other, output, third party. This is all the stuff that you could do. I could install PuTTY, which is a command prompt, which is basically a Linux command prompt is what it is. And there's so much more. But I'm focusing on OneDrive because I know a lot of people who do not use that. So as you saw, OneDrive is now removed. So now I am going to reinstall OneDrive. Now you could do it through here, or you can go online and go to a site or Microsoft and download it. So I'll go over here and click Reinstall OneDrive, run script, and as you can see, OneDrive setup is initializing. And the operation is now complete. So if I go to the search bar and I type 1, OneDrive shows back up, which is what you want. So I am going to uninstall that. Now I can disable Cortana. I can do Windows security updates only, which means it only does the security updates for Windows. And you can turn on and off other things. Now, I did this on here just to show you. So alright, so just to do another thing here, this will work both on desktops and laptops as well. Cortana is here, right? So if I click that and I run script, it says complete, Cortana is disabled. So if I type Cortana, it's still there, but it's disabled now. So if we go into Windows apps here, Xbox, and now I'll do essential tweaks, run script. It's running the script. So it's going to be the same as the desktop in this case. All right, so if we go down here, it's complete. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.